everybody, and welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you guys a baby deal that I got at Pick and Save / Kroger. Now Kroger is an affiliate, or Pick and Save is an affiliate with Kroger. If you guys want to know if you guys have one of these stores near you, you just go to the Kroger website. There's a store locator. You guys can click it and it'll tell you the closest store. Now, my Pick and Save doesn't always have the same exact deals as Kroger, but sometimes they do. So right now they're having a baby sale where if you spend $40, you guys get $10 off instantly. So I want to show you guys a deal. Now, I did take pictures with the coupons, but what I ended up doing is taking a picture of the Pampers with the Huggies coupons. So I'm a complete idiot and didn't think straight all of a sudden, but it did come with the baby deal. But I ended up having a digital Pampers coupon, so it came off anyways. So what I ended up using was 4 paper Huggies coupons and 1 digital. I was gonna get Huggies, but I'm not thinking straight, and I got Pampers, which is fine. So what you guys need to do is the Huggies. These Huggies diapers are all $7.99, and you need to spend $40. So that comes out to be just shy of. It's like 31 bucks for 4 of those. And then the Pampers or the other Huggies diapers are $8.99. So what you guys need to do is get 4 of the $7.99 diapers and 1 of the $8.99 diapers. Now, I ended up getting some Huggies wipes just because I wanted to make sure it was just a little bit extra in case something happened. So I got the baby's wipes. Now the wipes were $1.99 a piece, but then I had $1 off a 2 coupon, making those $3 or $1.50. Not the greatest deal, but I still wanted to share with you guys on this deal. So what you guys want to do, buy 4 of the Huggies and then 1 of a different Huggies or Pampers. You just got to use a different coupon for the Pampers. You guys also want to do 2 of the baby wipes. So that comes out to be $44.93. You guys want to use 5 $2 off coupons for the Huggies or the digital Pampers, and then $1 off of 2 of the wipes. So that comes to $33.93. There's that automatic $10 off that'll come off at the registers. Now, it doesn't come off until she hits total. Just giving you guys a heads up on that. So then you guys will actually pay out of pocket $23.93, which is a pretty okay deal. But then also what prints out is this Save $5 Catalina. So this is just a regular coupon. You guys can use this for more diapers. You can use this for anything in the whole grocery store. So I don't have any more Huggies coupons, but I plan on doing this deal maybe some more. Now this deal just started today. Today is January 9th, and it goes to January 22nd. So you guys have 2 weeks to do this deal. So if you guys factor in the $5 Catalina, it actually comes to $18.93. That comes out to be $3.78 per package of the diapers, and then you get 2 wipes for free if you guys think about that. If you don't want to do the wipes, I just did it just to kind of cover my butt, but I think you guys can get away with not buying the wipes. Just buy the 5 packs of diapers, used 4 paper coupons and a digital coupon. You guys will get that instant $10 off, making it, or after the coupons, I think it comes to $28.95. You guys will get that $10 digital coupon, making it $18.95 with the $5 Catalina. It comes out to be $13.95, making each diaper just $2.79, which I think is a pretty decent deal for diapers. Now, I have plenty of diapers, but I'm still going to show you guys diaper deals because some people always can use diapers. So in case I don't use them, I can always give them to people. But yeah, so there's 2 different scenarios. I will write down each scenario for you guys and put it in the breakdowns, but I just wanted to give you guys this easy deal for Kroger / Pick and Save, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, there's not really much other deals going on there. I just wanted to share with you guys the diaper deal, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.